Hello friends, hope you all will be doing fine. Welcome to my channel Solo YouTuber. Today you might be thinking that some unboxing is coming up. Yeah, you're right. Actually, I always want to unbox and overview about the gadgets which I use in my videos. Whenever I make any video, whatever the gadgets are there which I use, so I try to unbox them, because sometimes people keep on saying me in the comments that what is the camera you use, what are the phones you use, what are the different gadgets you use. So I can easily say check the link here and just see what I am using, and I'm already giving the unboxing and overview of that. So for the products I'm using, for the gadgets for the gadgets I'm using, you can always check in the description of my window and you can find it there, all the gadgets which I am using. So today I'm actually going to unbox and overview about the external microphone which I am using, and this one is actually a good external microphone, and the big thing about this is that this is a budget microphone, and its performance, what I can say, is far better than any expensive external microphones. This is really highly recommended. I am not sponsoring on account of Boya, but I am just sharing my personal experiences with you. Really, this is a very good microphone. We will also go unbox it, and after that we will also make it practical about the voice. Right now you are getting through my camera. Actually right now for the recording I'm using my smartphone camera, and then we will connect the mic, external mic, and then we will see the audio quality about that also. So the mic comes from Boya. It's a foreign brand from China. It comes from Shenzhen. I already bought this from Shenzhen. One of my friends sent this to me from Shenzhen, and anyone who want to buy it, he can simply buy it online on any of the shopping platforms available online, and you can get in India, I can just say you can get it near around some 800 to 900 in between that, and I'm also leaving a link in my description so that you can check the price, as well as you can just buy it from there also. So let's go and unbox it and see what's in it. And before just unboxing it, that the Boya external mic, also there's another Boya external mic. The copy of this has already come into the market, and the differences which is there between the original and the fake one is we will just cover in this video altogether. And firstly, this is the Boya box we are getting it in, and here are the descriptions and pricing, where it comes from, all the specifications, what we can do with it. And it's the big thing, another big thing is that this is compatible with everything. You can just connect it to your smartphone, you can connect it to your camcorders, your DSLRs, any audio recorders, any PCs. You can use it everywhere, and the performance is really better. I have checked it myself. There are the great results I have found in it. So first thing, the originality is you can see the sticker here, and what you have to do, that you have to scan with any of the barcode scanners. There are a lot of apps on the app stores. You can download any barcode scanner, and then you can scan this code. And from the bottom of that, if you can see it here, as I can show you, that there is something you have to scratch it out. I have not done it yet. You can scratch it here, and then when you scratch it, you will get a number there, okay? And then when you scan the barcode, that number should match there, and then you have to go further one step, go ahead there, confirm. And when there is a green check mark on that app, on where from you scan it, green check mark, then that confirms that the device is original. If that is not there, if some other information comes out, you can just see from the information, then your Boya microphone is not original. So without wasting much of the time, we will just unbox it and just check it out. Okay, here is the Boya. What are the accessories we are getting? We are just getting an instruction manual. You can just go through it and check all the instruction details you can get. So keeping that box aside, okay, this is the Boya mic, and we are getting it really in a good leather pouch, soft one. And yes, the second difference about the originality comes here. The original one comes with this leather pouch, very smooth and soft leather pouch, and the duplicate one, which is the copy one of Boya, that doesn't come in this leather type of bag. That simply comes in a tray, as I can show you. that simply comes in a tray, and the tray just you have to put it out, and then you get the external microphone in that. That's the second difference. So you can get between the original and the fake one. So these are the main two differences. One is that you will get a leather bag, and when you are getting also when you are buying it from an official and confirmed shopping site, and that too will just really give you a genuine product. And the main two differences is that you have to scan the barcode and check for the serial number. If it matches, then they will say you it's original. And the second is with the leather bag, you will get in the original one. So these are the differences between the fake and the original. So let's see what we are getting inside it. Okay, this is the warranty card. This is you have to fill while you are buying it, or you have to keep it for the warranty of your product, and that's it. And here we are getting the external microphone, and there are some accessories here. What else we are getting? Nothing. Okay, and let's keep this aside and just check it out. This is the mic you're getting. Okay, this is the mic piece, and you can get the voice all around. You have not to get it on from the top only. You can input the voice from any side, left, right, up, down, whatever you want. So this is it, and you have a very big wire coming out with, so you can use it even you are very far from your camera. You can use this. So just check out what are the accessories we are getting in it. Okay, there is a little battery inside. We have to insert it into this so to make it operational. And what else we get? We get a clip in it, so that you can fix it anywhere, and so that you will use it while clipping on your collar or anywhere where you want to be. This is the clip, and this is a little foam here. You can just cover your mic with it like this, so that it just protects you from some extra noises, the wind noises. It will not get affected. Your voice quality will be better, so you can cover it like this. Okay, so this is the thing. We already installed it into it. And extra is this is an attachment. Maybe for some devices you are connecting mic to there, you don't get this type of connector, so then you can use a multi-connector, and then you can connect this and put this device into that particular device which supports this one. Maybe some DSLR cameras use such type of connector, so the connector is already given with you. So leaving the pin as well as the connector aside. Okay, and now we will just, and this is the little battery, we have to insert it. Okay, this is the battery, and we have to open it right like this. Okay, and then there is a compartment for the battery. You have to insert it right there, so you can manage. The spring type is that negative side, and the other one is that positive side, so you will put it in. Okay, smoothly it gets in, and now you can operate it. Just close the cap. And one more thing, here's another clip. I think you can hang it somewhere if you want. Yes, that's it. Okay, and something else I want to show you here, that here we're having a button, but if you're going to use this with a DSLR camera, then you have to switch the button on the top side. In the camera it's written there, and if you're using it with a smartphone or any other thing, then you have to put it in the down direction, and then you can use it. As long as the quality, I think it's a very good quality mic. Actually, we will go for the practical also now for using this mic, and you will just clearly see the audio difference. Right now you can hear whatever I'm recording from my smartphone inbuilt microphone this time, and we will now connect also this mic to it, and you will certainly find the difference. Okay, now we will just connect this with our smartphone, whichever we are using right now for recording. Before that, I just want to add you that you can use this with any device. You can use it with action camera, DSLR, smartphones, camcorders, your PC, laptop, every device it functions. And for DSLRs, you have to just switch it, change the switch button, that will help you. We have already gone for our action camera overview, which I use in my recording. Right now I'm not using that action camera this time for recording, because this time I'm recording indoors, so mostly the action camera is useful when you are just shooting outdoors. That's better. So right now I'm using my smartphone. The link which smartphone I'm using, that's also in the description. For the overview and review of the action camera which I use, you can just go into the I button on the top right corner of this window, and you can check the overview and unboxing of that also, and the gimbal which I also use, and there also now the you can check in on the I button right on the top right corner of this window. So just now we will do the practical, and now we will connect this external mic to my smartphone, and then we will see the difference of the audio. You can feel right now already, till now the audio we were using were of the internal mic of the smartphone. So right now I'm just connecting my this microphone with my camera, and then we will just record with this. So to be just you will be already knowing that the mic you have to keep a little 10 to 15 20 centimeters away from your mouth. Okay, so now we will connect it, and then we will find the difference between till now and after connecting the mic. Okay, so check it out. I'm really happy that we are getting a long cord on it, so that if you are going very far away, so you will not get a problem about this. Okay, now we're just connecting it. Okay, now we have already connected our external mic to my smartphone, the phone I'm using to record. So right now you can find the difference. What is the difference before and now, as you can check yourself. I have already made an experiment before also, and have gone with the practical, and I really was very much satisfied with the performance of this Boya mic. So right now you can also be feeling the difference. And this is for it, unboxing for the mic. I am using external mic whenever needed to make an external mic use. So I am using this Boya mic for recording my videos. Okay, and you can also subscribe to my YouTube channel, and that really inspires me of bringing more good videos to you. You can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. The links are there on the screen. You can check it out. Thanks for watching. Take care, and bye-bye.